Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact Mac port and grabbing the right adapter. This prevents wasted swapping. Once you have the HDMI cable and adapter, plug the projector into mains and switch it on so it's ready to receive a signal. Next, connect the HDMI cable to the projector and the adapter, then attach the adapter to the Mac. Do this before changing Mac settings so the system detects the external display immediately. Once the hardware is connected, Mac OS usually detects the projector. If not, open System Settings and go to Displays. Select Mirror if you want the same image, or Extend to use the projector as a second screen. Choose Y, Presentation Control, or Extra Workspace. Then set resolution to match the projector, typically 1080p or 4K, and choose the 16:9 aspect ratio to avoid stretching. Make finish by aligning the projected image. Tweak focus, keystone correction, and physical projector placement for a squared frame. On your Mac, open Sound Settings and switch output to HDMI if you need audio through the projector or AV receiver. Save or note your display arrangement for future use, then test slides or video to confirm sync. If you lose signal or see no image, try the key troubleshooting tip. Disconnect and reconnect the HDMI and adapter, then restart the Mac and projector. This clears handshake faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.